Are you struggling with the Praxis English Language Arts 5038 Effective Writing and Revision Exam? I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Selena. I have 20 years of teaching experience and I'm a test prep expert with Study.com. Today, we will work through some sample questions focused on effective writing and revision, specifically revising and editing for clarity and concision. I'll walk you through the correct answers, common mistakes, and strategies to help you think like the test writer and improve student writing. Let's get started. The most effective way to ensure a student's writing is appropriate for their intended audience would be A. Ensuring the writing task includes a detailed outline. B. Providing students an extensive vocabulary list to cover in their writing. C. Assigning a specific topic for each writing task. Or D. Providing instruction on the characteristics of the intended audience. A detailed outline helps organize ideas, but doesn't teach the students how to adjust their writing for a specific audience. B. Vocabulary list gives words to use, but using big words correctly doesn't ensure the writing fits the audience. C. Specific topic focuses the content, but knowing the topic doesn't teach students how to write for different readers. The correct answer is D. Providing instruction on the characteristics of an intended audience can help a student to tailor their writing to the audience. For example, if a student's audience was composed of their peers, their teacher might advise them to speak naturally. On the other hand, if a student's audience was school administrators, their teachers would likely advise them to speak in a concise, professional manner. When you try to improve your thesis statement, you should A. Make it longer to encompass all of your ideas. B. Consider using a two-sentence thesis statement. C. Move it so that it's the first sentence in your essay. Or D. Make it more specific based on the major points you've made in your paper. Let's go through a process of elimination. A. Make it longer. Adding more words doesn't make a thesis better. It can make it confusing. B. Two-sentence thesis. Splitting it into two sentences can weaken clarity and focus. C. Move it to the first sentence. Placement alone doesn't improve the quality. The correct answer is D. To improve your thesis statement, re-examine the essay question and think about the major points that you've made throughout the body paragraphs of your essay. Strengthen a so-so thesis statement by tying it very specifically to what you have written about. What is the best explanation of what makes this sentence unclear? About how to succeed, many people ask me for advice because I am a wealthy artist. A. The word about is in the wrong place and should be switched with the word because at the end of the sentence. B. Part of the sentence is in the passive voice and part is in the active voice. C. The word many doesn't serve a purpose and should be removed. Or D. The phrases in the sentence are disorganized. Let's walk through a process of elimination. A. About is in the wrong place. The problem isn't just the word about, the whole sentence ordering is confusing. B. Passive versus active voice. The sentence is already in active voice, voice isn't the issue. C. Many doesn't serve a purpose. Many adds meaning, so removing it isn't necessary. The correct answer is D. The phrases in the sentence are disorganized. Organization is the problem here. Here's the correct version. Because I am a wealthy artist, many people ask for advice about how to succeed. Outlining the major points from your essay after writing the essay can help you A. Strengthen your thesis statement. B. Spot ideas that are out of place. C. Draw a more logical conclusion. Or D. Change your essay topic. Let's walk through the process of elimination. A. Strengthen your thesis. Outlining after writing might help a little, but its main purpose isn't revising the thesis. C. Draw a more logical conclusion. The conclusion depends on the content, not the outline itself. D. Change your essay topic. Outlining after writing doesn't change the topic. It just organizes what is already written. The correct answer is B. Doing a post outline can help you see when you've looped back and touched on points that you've already covered in other places. In the editing process, you can move those stray points back up to where they belong. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions on the Praxis English Language Arts 5038, focusing on effective writing and revision, specifically revising and editing for clarity and concision. I hope you feel more confident on exam day. For more practice, check out our Praxis English Language Arts 5038 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis English Language Arts test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and happy studying.